Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. And today, guys, welcome back, guys, to Granny Chapter 2 once again. And today, guys, we're gonna be doing, guys, which one should we do? Guys, we've done quite a lot of videos of this. What should we do? Guys, let's do easy versus normal. Guys, let's do that. Guys, I'm not sure, guys, if I've did that on my channel already. But however, guys, let's just get started. Guys, I don't know about that, guys. I don't know, guys, if I've particularly done easy versus normal. I don't know if I've did that yet, but however, let's just get started. Guys, if I've did that on my channel, guys, let me know, guys, in the comments down below. So yeah, not in this video, but in other videos. So yeah. Anyway, let's get playing. So it says easy, but we're gonna do it. Oh yeah, we are gonna do easy. We're gonna do easy fights normal. So yeah, should we do both? We're gonna do both, guys. Let's do it. Why not? Guys, I haven't said where we're gonna escape. Yes, I need to figure out that. Which way should we escape? Um, guys, in the other video, guys, I made another video, guys, on my channel, guys. Well, guys, I haven't uploaded it yet, guys, but I will do eventually. Guys, the way, guys, because I couldn't escape by the door last time, let's escape by the door. I think that's our plan for today. So yeah. Oh no, Granny, I told you it's not a good time. Ah, Grandpa, ah! Oh my gosh, I'm dead already. I'm on my second day already. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Day two. I've got 3 more lives left. Guys, we're gonna escape, guys, by the door in this game. So yeah, let's do it, guys. Since I couldn't escape by the door last time, let's do it. Let's do it today. Oh no, there's Granny. Pray that Grandpa doesn't come. Oh no! Ah! How did I get past Grandpa like that? Oh no, Grandpa's gonna come, is he? How is it? What is wrong with Grandpa? No, Granny, no, Granny, no! Seriously, you gotta be kidding me. Guys, let's do that again. Well, yeah, obviously, we're on day 3. Guys, we have 2 more lives left already. Oh my gosh. I've only been playing this game for like, I don't know, like 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, how can I be dead already? That's impossible. Oh my gosh, is Grandpa there? Oh no, he is. Yep, Grandpa's definitely there. He's definitely there and he always will be there. Let's hide under the bed. And when Granny walks past that way, I'm gonna go. Okay, there she is. Oh no, Oh my gosh, no. Guys, day 4 already? Are you kidding me? How could I be, how could I get all 5 days on easy mode? That's impossible. Actually, guys, I've got a plan. I've got a plan and it might work. And it can save me from being dead. Okay. I'm gonna do this 5 times. Actually, no, 3 times. Not a good idea to do 5. I can see the hand through the wall, so I know when they're coming down. There's Grandpa. There's Granny. Okay, Granny and Grandpa guys are there, so I'm gonna go upstairs. Okay, so now I'm safe now. I hear Grandpa coming back up, so I'm kind of safe now. So hopefully I do not die this time. The weapons key. Oh, I will take that. I will definitely take the weapons key. Okay. Okay, now I need to search this room. I need to find things here. Okay, is there anything in these drawers? The wrench! Okay, I picked it up and then dropped it. I don't want to go in the shower yet. Guys, let's wait for Granny and Grandpa to come in the shower. Is this safe? Let's let's do it. I'm risking it, guys. This is risky, but I'm doing it. Let's get this gun. Okay, I've got the gun now. There we go. They definitely heard that. How would they not hear that? There's Granny. Shoot it! 2.5 minutes. Oh, that's so. That is perfect. That's just what I need. Okay, that door's locked. I can't go in there. Because there's something blocking it from the other side. Let's drop the gun again. I hear Grandpa say, Granny! Wait, guys, the special key's there. I can use that. Okay, I need Grandpa to come here. Okay, Grandpa does not hear very well, so let's load this up with another dart. The curtain pliers. Oh, I will take that. Wait, guys, the curtain pliers off of the door. I need them. Let's do it now. There we go. Okay. Is there anything here? Wait, there is the wrench. Oh, I will take that. I will definitely take the wrench. No! Grandpa, I told you it's not. Grandpa, I told you it's not a good time. Guys, I told Grandpa it's not a good time. Day 5, the last day. Guys, I am so bad at this game so far. I am so bad at this game. Let's just go back upstairs and get that wrench. But it's not going to be easy. Grandpa's asleep. Okay. Did I even unlock this door yet? No, I didn't. Wait, let's steal the security key while sleeping. Thank God I did that. Okay. Guys, no, Granny, no. Granny sees me. The boat steering wheel, no, I don't need that. Because I'm skinned by the door in this game. But I will be needing the wrench. Okay, Granny's going back down there. Wait, the safe key. Let's wait until Grandpa goes in there. Oh no, I hear Grandpa dancing, that's not good. Because I need to go in there. The kitchen is up there. Just literally behind there. Oh no, there's Grandpa. Oh no, this is going bad. This is going so bad. Oh my gosh. Granny! No, 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 no. Oh no, there's Grandpa. He see me. Oh my gosh, they're all over the place. Oh my gosh. Can these just take a break? Just, just take a break, will you? Okay, I'm looking both directions. There's Granny. Shoot her! Guys, I better escape on my last day. Granny, get out my goddamn way. Move. Oh, guys, I'm killing the baby while I'm at it. There we go. Oh, no. They're so mad at me. Oh, no. No, 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 no. This is... No, no. Oh, no. Grandpa's so mad at me. Guys, he's got red glowing eyes. Look at him. Oh, no, no, no. Grandpa, don't you dare do that. Grandpa. Grandpa, you stay away from me. Okay, good thing there's one bullet here. There we go. He's dead. Okay, now... Um... Let's reload this. Okay, is there anything here? The helicopter key, don't need that. Wasn't the wrench here? I'm pretty sure the wrench was here. I need what the thing that it's called. Need the special key. Was it? Yeah, it was here. Okay, let's bring this down the stairs. And let's get rid of those round wood planks. They're kind of funny wood planks if you ask me. Okay, there we go. There we go, the wood planks are now gone. Okay. That's the spark plug, don't need that. I'm escaping by the door in this game. Oh, sorry guys. There we go. Don't want to get distracted here. Wait, is there anything here? The safe key! Did I seriously forget about that? I do not know. Well, thank God we've got the safe key. Is there anything here? The door handle! That's just what I need. There we go. Oh, there's Granny. There's Granny. There's Granny. Okay. Is there anything here? No. Wait, is there anything here? That's the gasoline. Do not need that. Is there anything there? No. That's just an empty bookshelf. Wait, have I done that? Yeah, I have. Oh no, I shouldn't have knocked down the picture. I should wait. Wait, the gun. Oh, thank God I've got this gun back. Okay. There we go. I should shoot Granny. I should shoot Grandpa again. Wait, no, let's get this gun again. Okay, shoot. There we go. Let's go up here. There we go. Push the red button. Well, shoot the red button. Okay, there we go. Now let's go and get those cotton pliers. Okay, there we go. I've got them now. Now let's go and bring them to here. There we go. Okay. Okay. There we go. What do we have? The padlock key. That's just what I need. Okay, let's close the door. Is there anything here? The door lock. Actually, that's kind of good. I will be needing that. Okay, I need a wrench for that part. Wait, I haven't even emptied the water house, but I need the wrench key. Wait, the wrench key's there. What's it doing there? I have no idea what the wrench key's doing right there. Okay, let's go and empty out the water. There we go. There we go. Now the water's gone. Let's go and bring this to the front door. There we go. Now, looks like we're gonna be needing the, what is it called? The, what is it called again? The crowbar. Yeah, that's what I need. Need a crowbar for that? Of course I do, obviously. Is there anything? No. No. Is there anything in this stupid kitchen here? No. No. There's Grandpa, guys. He's literally right there. Okay, what I need is that gun. I need to get the gun. Close that. Now let's go and let's go and get that gun again. Okay, and I'm still on easy mode. I haven't even, you know, I'm still on easy mode and I'm not even on normal mode yet. I have no idea how long this video is. That's the boat steering wheel, I don't need that. Okay, that's Granny down. But well, Grandpa's still on my tail, guys. Oh my gosh. There has to be another bullet here somewhere. Is there a bullet here? No. Oh, there is. There's two bullets here. Wait. Oh yeah. He's got the other one too. Oh, let's kill him. There we go. He's dead. Oh yeah, I've already used him. I need that crowbar. Where is it? Wait. Let's go and check the place where the ugly baby is. Let's go and check there. Where that ugly baby is. I might find something there. Okay, the baby's dead, so I can just go because I killed it. Oh, the crowbar's right there. I thought there was nothing. It was literally right in the corner. Oh my gosh, that's a bit strange. But however, let's just get this down here. There we go. There we go. Guys, can I escape out of the door on my last day? I do not know. I do not know if I'm going to make it or not. I better. If I do this, then I'm a champ. the hand wheel. I definitely am a champ, guys. If I do this, then I'm a champ. I am. I have to be a champ if I can do this. Because Grandpa killed me last time, so I better win. This has to be possible. Okay, is Grandpa here? No. Thank God for that. Yes, I can do that. Okay, there we go. Now let's go. Let's get out of here, guys. Come on, quick. Let's get out of here. On my last day. I cannot believe that. There's the car. Oh, it was right there, but you can't escape out of it. Goodbye, Granny and Grandpa. I escaped on my last day, so how'd you like that? The end. Guys, we're not finished yet. We need to do normal as well. Okay, play. Okay, guys, this time, guys, I'm switching things up a little bit. This time, guys, we're not gonna do both. We're gonna do should we do Granny and Grandpa? I'm gonna do let's do Grandpa, guys. Okay, he's the only one. Okay, let's do normal and then play. We'll continue. Okay, so it's only Grandpa on this, so I might be a bit safer now. You know what, guys? Let's escape, guys, by the helicopter in this game. That's the challenge. Let's see, guys, if I can do that. That's quite hard, but I can do it. It is gonna be tough, guys. But you know, holiday expert like me, I can do it. Oh, the door lock. I will take that. I will definitely take the door lock. Okay. Is there anything here? No, the boat key. I'm scared by the helicopter in this game, so it's gonna be tough, but I can do it. Okay. Guys, escaping by the helicopter is possible. Okay, that's the tape. I need that, but not right now. Okay, part for the picture. I need that, but I need Grandpa's security key off his neck. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to kill him first, or when he's sleeping. The taser gun. Oh my gosh, I literally just said it. There we go, guys. I'm right here, and I'm right here, and I'm gonna get a security key. Okay, Grandpa, give me that security key. Okay, there we go. Okay, did that. Now let's get this part of the picture. Get out of my way, stupid lamp. Get out of my goddamn way. Okay. Guys, I cannot believe, guys, I escaped on my last day. That was crazy. Okay, something is blocking the door from the other side. Yeah, we all know that. It's the wood plank. I've sorted it already. Okay. The helicopter manual, I need that. Now you can control a helicopter. The special key. Okay, that's what I will be needing to get rid of those wood planks. The door handle, don't need that. No. The safe key, I will take that. I will. I should have opened that door. Guys, I should have literally opened the door. Oh my gosh, now I have to go all the way back around. There we go. I can go through this way because the wood planks are going to be gone. Okay. The wrench, I will take that. I will definitely take the wrench. Okay. Good thing it's my first day, not my last day. Okay. There's the baby. Oh, I saw parts of the picture there too. So thank God for that. Okay. Guys, there might be some good items around there, but let's just get parts of the picture for now. Okay. There we go, got it. I have to go all the way back around. I just said it and Grandpa got me. Oh my gosh. I guess we need to taser him again. Okay, guys, it's alright. Good thing it's only day 2, so I'll be alright. It's only day 2. I should have gone the other way, but the door was locked. I should have opened it before I cut down into the shower. Oh my gosh, but good thing part of the picture's right there. Grandpa's definitely around there, is he? Yep, he's in the bathroom. Guys, you literally saw Grandpa in the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's the taser gun. I'll be needing that a bit. In a bit. Not a bit. That doesn't make sense. Okay. Is there anything there? No? Okay, part of the picture. Let's see. There we go. Now I need one more piece and then that's it. The door opens. Okay. There's my taser gun. There we go. Is there anything there? Let's see. The cone pliers. I'll be needing them. Okay, there we go. Okay. He's dancing. Oh. The radio's on, he's dancing. What are all the rest of the items? The other part of the picture! Guys, that's all 3 pieces. Now, Let's you know, okay, something is blocking the door from the other side. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what we've got. I already know. I'm just. Oh yeah. I forgot about this, guys. I have to do that. You need to use the gun for that, but I don't have it. Okay. Let's cut across through here. It's a quicker way. Okay. Wait, is there anything here? No. No. I saw a hand wheel, but I don't need that. Is there anything here? No, that's a bouquet. I think I just saw that. Um, Wait a minute. Where was the safe key? I swear I just saw that. I swear I just. Wait, well, no. Oh, that door's still locked. I need to open that door. Then I won't be trapped in places. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I think I see Guys, I think I hear Grandpa alive again. He came back from the dead. Oh my gosh. Where is... Oh! Oh my gosh, Grandpa, leave me alone. Grandpa, I said leave me alone. Stop chasing me around in circles, Grandpa. Okay, good thing Grandpa did not see me go up the stairs. So thank God for that. Guys, let's lock him in the security room. Let's wait until he goes in. And then we'll trap him. Oh no. Oh my gosh, guys, I did that in time. Oh my gosh. Good thing he can't get in. He's still trying to force the door open. Grandpa, it's not going to open, so if I were you, I'd go away, Grandpa. Is he still... He's still trying... Okay, he's just going to keep doing it. Is there anything here? Oh, the safe key. I've been looking for that. Wait, the taser gun. Okay. Let's take this safe key and go down here. Now let's open this door. There we go. Now, whenever I feel like I'm stuck down here, I won't be because I opened the door. Well, thank God for that. Okay, I just made noise. Okay, that's a spark plug. I do not need that. Or do I? Okay, where's Grandpa? I need to make noise again. Okay, that's the way I fell through. Where is Grandpa? I need him to come here. Drop this 3 times in a row. Just knocking down everything. Let's turn on the radio. Sounds. Guys, you heard me kind of whatever I was doing then, but however, we need to guide Grandpa. When I was doing that then, guys, thank God Grandpa did not sneak up on me. But the floor's creaking, let's do it. I'm just gonna keep doing it until he hears it. Drop this. Knock that over. That's a gas fuse, guys. That's just what I need. But I need the weapons key. Where could it be? There's Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa, goodbye. Have fun getting killed. Okay, now Grandpa's gone for 1 minute. Okay, I think I have just about enough time. Okay, is there anything there? No. Okay, good thing I emptied the water. Guys, let's kill the baby now. Okay, come on. Come on, you ugly baby. There we go. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. How did I do that? Okay, the crowbar. I will take that. I will definitely take that. Let's undo that. Let's go and open. Let's go and see what's in this box up here. Okay, is there anything here? Let's see. No, I don't need that. Okay, but there is another box in this house. I can use this crowbar on. Okay, let's go and use this on this box right here. See? The weapons key, guys! I've been looking for this and I finally found it. Oh my gosh. This is going good so far. Pray Grandpa's not here. Yes, he's not here. Okay, I'm good. The boat steering wheel. No, I don't need that. What's that? I don't know. I don't know and I don't care. Okay. Grandpa! There we go. Now he's gone for 1 minute. Now she's gone. Now he's got. I think I just called a machine. Now he's gone for 1.5 minutes. Okay, let's use this gun then to do this up here. No, not there. Okay, I've done all the pictures, so obviously the door's open. Okay, now I need to get these here. Oh no, I didn't get any. Get loads out. No, stop missing. Wait, let's get one here. Yes, I got one. Okay, come on. I need to get all three of them. No, get loads of them out. There we go. That's another one. Okay. Yes, I did it, guys. I can't believe I did that. Okay, okay. Here, I need a gas fuse because if I walk over there, guys, I'll fall through the floor. Okay, let's go and get that gas fuse. Okay, I can't get any more bullets from there, but there's bullets here. I will take them. Okay. Actually, guys, while I'm here, I'm gonna shoot this here because it's only Grandpa, so. Because if you need 2 bullets, then you're gonna have to use them for Granny and Grandpa. But Granny's not here; it's only Grandpa. So particularly, I only need 1 bullet, but 2 bullets are better. Okay. Okay. Now I need to wait for Granny. What? No, no, no. Grandpa to come here because I'm scared by the helicopter. Okay. Wasn't the gas fuse in here? No, it's not. Where was it again? I think I'm forgetting things. And there's bullets there too. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Okay. Is there anything here? No. There's the gas fuse. Okay. Wait, guys, I think I'm mistaken. It's a glass fuse, not a gas fuse. It's a glass fuse. So yeah, let's go and take it up where the helicopter is. Okay. There we go. Now I can walk across. Okay. Okay, guys, we're out where the helicopter is now. Now, what I'm going to do, this is what was blocking the door, so let's take it off. Okay. Now we can open the door. I need to fix the helicopter. Okay. So let's go and find all the parts for that helicopter. We've done all of this now. That's all over now. Now, let's go and find all the parts we need for the helicopter. So, first we're looking for is the tape. It's right in here, is it? Yeah, I'm so correct. Okay, let's bring this to the helicopter. Okay. Oh wait, now I can go through the other door because I took the wood plank off. Okay, okay, this is how I fix it. There we go, all fixed now. I need over here. Yeah, I need gasoline. Okay, wait, what's in here? Oh wait, it's just the way I came before. Yeah, it was that wood plank that was blocking the door. Um, okay, okay, okay. Now, where where's the gun I dropped? I swear the gun was here before. Okay, what I'm gonna do with this door lock right here, um, let's lock it so he can't get in. And look at the footage so he finds me. So yeah, so that's a good idea. But I have the cutting pliers, so I'm gonna be taking these. Okay, there we go. Let's take them. Okay, I'm gonna have to take the lock off. Wait, what? What? No, 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 no. That can't be serious. I need the security key. Are you serious? The security key's in there. You gotta be kidding me. Guys, I basically locked the door on myself. Oh my gosh. How would that happen? Guys, I literally used a security key for that. I need a security key. I'm escaping with the helicopter and I locked the door on myself. Maybe I can get Grandpa to open it for me. Guys, I literally used a security key on that door and I do remember it. What does it mean I need a security key? I literally opened the door with the security key. Now I'm gonna have to kill Granny again. I mean, Grandpa. Oh my gosh. And he doesn't even have the security key with him. Oh my gosh. Wait, guys, maybe it might be a glitch. Something might be wrong. Maybe that's why the door wouldn't open. Let's hope it opens this time. Guys, I don't know if it was a glitch or what it wasn't, but the door better open this time. There's no way that could be possible. Plus, Grandpa does not even have the key around his neck. I literally used it. Pray it opens. Are you serious? What? What's going on? The key's in there? Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. And Grandpa's coming for me. Oh my gosh, there's nowhere to go now. Guys, I can't escape by the helicopter anymore. I had to escape a different way. Because I've locked the door on myself and Grandpa's literally coming for me. So yeah, guys, we can't escape by the door anymore. I mean, the helicopter because it's blocked off. There's nothing we can do, guys. Oh my gosh. I basically locked the door on myself. How did I do that? How in the world would I lock the door on myself? Wait, is something in here? The meat? I don't know if I need that. But guys, we will escape this house still, guys. Guys, we did the door last time, so because we can't escape with the helicopter, let's escape, guys, by the boat this time. So yeah, because the helicopter was a fail, so let's escape by the boat. Wait, he's on the camera. Let's do it. Now let's wait for him to come here. Wait, I think I hear him. Guys, there are cameras in this house, so you can see where you are. Ugh, I have no idea where to go. I need to find all the parts for the boat now instead of the helicopter, because it completely failed. Okay, let's kill him. There we go. He's dead. Okay. Wait, did I? Wait a minute. How is the baby alive? Guys, I swear I killed it. Okay, kill it. There we go. It's dead. Guys, I swear I killed that baby. And what is the taser gun doing right there? I definitely know I killed the baby. Okay, now I need to find all the parts for the boat, not the helicopter. Okay, is there anything here? No. The spark plug, I need that for the boat. I've only got, guys, two places to go, the door or the boat, but we're gonna do the boat since the helicopter failed. Okay. Now what I need is that padlock key. Where is it? That's the question. Wait a minute. Don't tell me the padlock key was it. Okay, that's a bow key, but where's the padlock key? Don't tell me the padlock key's in the security room. Please do not tell me that. That can't be true. Don't tell me that the padlock key's in the room where Oh wait, it isn't in the room. It's right here. Oh, thank God for that. Guys, pray the boat pieces are not in the rooms with are not in the room where the security room is. I also saw the gasoline in the shower, so thank God for that. Because Grandpa's gonna be hearing all this. And I know where the boat steering wheel is, so no, not everything's where in the security room is. Yeah, good thing not everything's in where the security is in the security room. Oh no, Grandpa's looking for me again. Oh no, he better not find me. Guys, Grandpa's looking for me. Oh no, I think the camera saw me. Guys, he saw me on camera. That's how he found me. Oh my gosh. Guys, let's go and get that gasoline. And then let's go and get that boat steering wheel. Okay, got the gasoline. I saw the boat steering wheel just there then. No, there's Grandpa again. Grandpa, I'm gonna escape by the boat and there's nothing you'll do about it. Okay. I just need to go right now, guys. Guys, I was gonna escape by the helicopter, guys, but it failed, so sorry about that. Guys, I will do that again. I will escape by the helicopter again eventually. Okay. Now let's do this. There we go, and the padlock is right there, and yeah, good thing it's open. Okay, I cannot start the boat yet. I need the boat steering wheel, that's why. Okay. Okay, now Grandpa's gonna come down, I know it. Okay, Grandpa, are you coming or not? Grandpa? Wait, guys, I know how to get Grandpa down. Just make noise. There we go, Grandpa's gonna come now. There he is. Okay, he's going in there. Okay, guys, let's go and get that boat steering wheel, and then we need to get out of here before Grandpa gets us. Okay, there we go. I've got it. Now I need to guide Grandpa here. Let's hide behind the couch. No, nah, not a good hiding spot. Okay, now I'm gonna go round. Wait, the taser gun. There we go. Now, guys, pray we can get out of here. Oh wait, no, I can't because I need the boat key. Okay, let's hope I can do it in a minute because I've only got 60 seconds. Okay, pray I can do this in 60 seconds. There we go. I've done the boat steering wheel now. Let's let's go and get the boat key. I know where it is. It's in here, is it? Yep, it is. Now, guys, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here before Grandpa gets us, because I only have 60 seconds. I bet I only have like 5 or 10 seconds now. Okay, let's get out of here in 3, 2, 1. We did it, guys. Goodbye, Grandpa. And goodbye, you ugly octopus. The end. So, guys, we did that, guys. We escaped by the boat in Granny Chapter 2, guys. So, guys, I hope you guys like it, guys. I will make, there is going to be, guys, more videos on my channel, guys, about me playing Granny Chapter 2, guys. We didn't do a boat today. It was only Grandpa, so, yeah. That's all I have to say for this video, guys. And, guys, sorry that the helicopter, I couldn't escape by the helicopter, guys, because, I closed the door on my stealth, so the things were in there. So yeah. So guys, that's all I have to say, guys, for this video. So yeah, have a good one, guys.